Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got a handful of pocket knives to show you. First of all, actually, these two are the same. These are Kutmasters. These are Stockman. They both have jig Delrin scales, and they both have the clip point blade with a long nail nick there. And the sheep's foot and the spade blade, same here, but this one's a little nicer. And let's look at this tang stamp here. The Kutmaster Utica N.Y, USA. And again, we have the sheep's foot and the spade blade. And this is a run-of-the-mill Swiss Army knife, Victorinox. Got the, man, that thing has a snap. Pin blade there. Got the can opener, bottle opener. This one's a Chevron Texaco advertisement there. And then we got the main spear point blade with the Victorinox logo there, tank stamp. It has a toothpick, I think, here. Oops. Okay, we got this Serpentine Jack. Got a nice half stop there. It is a Imperial Ireland. And I got the pin blade there. And this one is a oldie but goodie. This is an old Imperial from the 1930s. Swell end there with a tip bolster. And then jig bone scales there. Then you have a Colonial here, Serpentine Jack. Two blades, pin blade, and got your main blade there. And the Stagalon scales. And then we have this one, just a cool looking old jig bone Serpentine Jack tip bolsters. And there's no maker's mark on this one, but it's pretty cool anyway. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.